What's up, everybody? My name is Jaquan Moultrie, and I'm here to tell you guys about this wonderful company called Newbies on Fire. Well, I haven't been promoting like that because haven't made no money off here yet, but I'm guarantee you, I want people to join right now. Get started today. There's no hassle. There's no waste of time. If you're unemployed and you look for an opportunity and you're looking to generate from $25 to $1,000 every single day, then you at the right video. So this what I want you to do: hit the subscribe button and hit that like button, and please hit that notification bell button. So when you get notified each time I upload a video, you won't miss another single video. All right. So you'll get notified each time when I upload a video. All right. So boom. Um, what we're gonna be talking about is Newbies on Fire. I'm gonna log into my back office right now, as you can see. Um, this is my Newbies on Fire. So I'm gonna log in right now, and right now I haven't made anything yet, but this is it right here, I guess. I'm gonna go to the products first, and don't mind this video. Don't pay attention to the video. Uh, yeah. So this is the starter packet, which is the basic starter packet. It's 25 and plus a $5 one-time admin fee. We got the basic, which is $100 plus $10 one-time admin fee. We have advanced, 250 plus $25 one-time admin fee. We have the elite, which is $500 plus $50 a one-time admin fee. We have, last but not least, the diamond. The diamond is $1,000, 1,000 and plus $97. That's a one-time admin fee. So while me saying that, if you want to select a package, right, you could pick which package level that you want to choose from. And yes, you do have to invest. You do have to invest money because it takes a little money to make big money. Okay, I started at the $25 level. And the reason why I started at $25 level is because I want to work my way up to $1,000, which is the diamond packet. Most people who already had jobs already and they got laid off, they already went to this big high diamond price, which is, this is a big high ticket, a big ticket program, which is the diamond packet. So while I'm saying that, you can also join the Facebook group on Newbies on Fire. I'll put that in the link below the description of this video. So if you guys want to join, you guys want to get started today, or you want to get started right now, please like this video, share this video, and comment below. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell button. So each time you will get a notification alert to your phone or to your tablet. It doesn't really matter. So, all right. So you won't miss another single video. You can go ahead and watch all my other videos on my channel. So for those who is new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and give me some likes too. Um, With that being said, I want to go to tools real quick. I want to show you some good things what they have on here. All right. So you got, so as a affiliate member of Newbies on Fire, what you're gonna have is this. You're gonna have pages, contacts, broadcast, notification, merchant, commission, rotator, and blogs. So when you wanna like broadcast, you go to here, you launch, you email your leads. If you got okay, let's say you run traffic, right? And then convert to your website, and this human traffic, and it converts to your website, then you can automatically email your leads all together and let them know, say, hey, welcome to the Newbies on Fire. And I want to welcome you to the Newbies on Fire. And if you're still interested, please fill out your information so we can get you started today, so we can get you going and have you start making money right away. And that's what we do here. That's what I do here too. I have people to start making money right away once I get them signed up. I already talked to my leads already. Sometimes they don't even want to pay. But I said, you know what? You think everything is free? No, you have to pay money to able to make money back. That's the way it is. That's the way how it goes. Because I understand like people failed as a marketer and they don't know what they be doing. That's why they trying to look something like that's very, very. They try to look for like a very, very good company they can work with, work from home. And you see, and also if you want to join like Facebook group right here, I'm already joined. I already joined the Facebook group. I'm gonna go back to my toolbox. All right, leaderboards. Let's see. So what we got here. As a leaderboard, once you become a Newbies on Fire member, uh, you're gonna see these. Your name is gonna be on here as a new Newbies on Fire um, member. So when you see all these people that got the names and they package level name brand, what level they came in and how much money they made all together for like this week, this month, and total earnings. So as you can see, Newbies on Fire. Right now, it's this lady named Adriana Vilgas. She made about $85,725. Kelly and Jonathan at the Diamond Packet, they made over $43,028. Uh, Louis Barastro, whatever his name is, at the Diamond Packet, he made about 26,000. And Funnels on Demand, he made about $17,607. And Kimberly Crawford, she came out the elite level, which is the 500. Uh, she came, $500 level, and she made about $17,225. And Mary Fowler, she came out the elite packet too, which is the 500. She made about $12,750. You got Sean Powell. He made about he came out to 500. He made about 1,000. No, he made about 10,625 dollars. And you got Jason and Jocelyn made about and Jocelyn. They came out the elite packet too, which they made over $9,225. And Elena Fraga came at the diamond level, which is the $1,000 level. She made about 8,675. Kristen Lai, she made about she came out the elite packet, which is the 500. She made about $8,225 that she had made. So all these people that you can see right now, guys, these are people who's been in this company for like since like last year. It's a lady. It's a lady named Christina Hooper. She is the CEO founder of Newbies on Fire. She the one that created this she the one that created this site, this online business site that made people change their life, and now people don't want to go back working a 9 to 5 anymore because they got tired of it. So as I'm telling you guys right now, this is legit, and this is not a scam. This is all 100% commission, paid direct to you. Okay, this ain't no 50% or 40%. No, you get paid 100% instant pay direct to you. So if a person signed up under you, you get paid by that person. That person have to pay the one-time admin fee, which is go towards the company. And that person who pays you direct, you can sell pay, Cash App, or PayPal, however you want to do it. It's all up to you. Me, I accept Stripe, Cash App, or Zelle Pay. It doesn't really matter. So yeah. So anybody, if you guys want to join me, please do. Feel free. It only take a minute to sign up. And if you want to come in at any level, you also can, okay? So just remember, you do have to invest a little money, okay? Invest a little money, it won't hurt you. Trust me. If you do it, then do it. If not, then this is not for you. But if you want to join and you're looking for an opportunity and you're looking to generate some income from $25 to $1,000 every single day, daily, then come on. This might take your best shot for you. Take your best shot. This is it. So yeah. So with that being said, guys, if anything, just you know what to do. Just holler at me if you have any further questions. And also, I have once you become affiliate marketing, um, there's a couple things you might have to do before. There's a couple things you might have to do is set up your own system. So yeah, so that's the problem right there. So these are the videos that's already been completed for me. All right. So these are tutorial videos that's going to show you, that's going to teach you how to market your own business and how to run traffic to your own business. So if you know how to do that, then do it. All right. So yeah, so I'm about to get off here and let you guys go. But at the meantime, if you're ready to change your life and you're ready for success, please hit that link below the description of this video right now and let's get you started. And let's have you start making money right away. All right? Have a nice one. Bye-bye.